Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a Ford GT and turning it into something special. So we'll go ahead and drill it, strip it, paint it, put some decals on it, and see what it looks like. This is one of my favorite castings. Really love the sleek trim to this model. It's just a fantastic design, and I've been wanting for a long time to do this custom, and I finally got the time to do it and can't wait to get started. Be right back. We got it drilled and stripped, and this is what we ended up with. I'll find some new wheels for it, some rubber tires for it, and we'll put those on there, and we'll take it to the paint shop and get her painted. Be right back. Went ahead and found some rubber tires, put on the chassis. We got her out of the paint shop, and she's got decals on it and looking pretty good. So we'll go ahead and put her back together. We started with this, and we finished with this. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't, and be sure to click that little bell. Give a thumbs up if you like the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.